Welcome to Maisie Moo. I'm going to quickly show you how to put together the mini junk journal. This simple design works perfectly as a keychain. You will need faux leather or glitter canvas to cut out your main template piece. I've used copy paper for the pages, a short length of embroidery floss and a large dyed needle, Kam Snaps for closure, and eyelets to create a keychain. Let's get started. We'll attach the Kam Snaps to start. Ensure they're the right way round so that the wee notebook closes. Okay, next we want to jump on and you insert your needle through the second hole down in your main template piece. Come back through the top so you have a single stitch on the outside. You can see the single stitch there. Then you want to grab your paper, and I'm holding it together with a peg here, and I'm just going to sew another stitch through, and I will repeat this so that it's a double stitch. So I'm going to go back through. Okay, so once I'm back through with the pages, I'm going to pass the needle through the pages but not through the main body of the notebook, because I want to take my needle through to the other two holes. You can see what I'm doing here, and same as on the other side. So the idea here is that you have two stitches on the outside of your notebook holding your pages in place. You want to obviously double these over because you want it to hold the pages secure. Okay, all of the holes are pre-cut, so it's easy enough to insert your needle. Finally, bring your needle back out through, and you can see I'm just going to finish this off by tying a knot. Now, if you're wanting to make your wee notebook into a keychain, which I think it looks quite cool as, you would insert your eyelet at this stage. And my eyelet kit is just a punch and a hammer. So obviously it depends on what sort of kit you have, but all you would need to do is attach your eyelet and insert your key ring hardware. I do hope you enjoy this cute wee pattern. Remember to let everyone know where you got it from. Maisie Moo, thanks.